Children, welcome to English class of 3rd standard. Today I am going to teach you Unit 1 poem Welcoming Spring. Children, shall we recite the poem? Yes. Sing with me children, okay? Out of the cave, out of the hole, came the rabbit and the foal. Hatched from egg in the nest, the birds to join the fest. The leaves green and flowers swing. Do you know that it is spring? The bugs are back and little spiders in black. Bears, rabbit and bees near flowers, grass and trees. Just like me they hum, just like me they hum, that spring has come. Children, do you know how many seasons are there? There are 4 seasons. That is summer season, winter season, rainy season and spring season. Today we are going to learn about spring season. In this poem, the poet explains the beauty of spring season. I am going to tell you some facts about spring season. Spring season always comes after winter and before summer season. In spring season, flower, bloom and trees begins to grow and reproduce. Now, let's see the first line of the poem, children. Out of the cave, out of the hole, came the rabbit and the foal. In this spring season, rabbit and foal came out from the hole and cave. Both came out from their places and enjoyed the spring season. Hatch from egg in the nest, the birds to join the fest. The birds hatched from the eggs and came out to join the fest. The birds also welcoming the spring season like festival. The leaves, green and flowers swing. In the spring season, the color of the leaves is green and the flowers swing due to the cool air. In this last line, the poet asking you, do you know that it is spring? The bugs are back. Due to winter season, all the bugs are hidden in their places. But in this spring season, all are came out and enjoying the spring season. And the little spider in black. The color of the little spider is what, children? Yes, that is black color. Bears, rabbits and bees near flowers, grass and trees. Bears and rabbits are near the grass and trees. Why? They are welcoming the spring season. In the spring season, the bees are near to the flower to take the fresh fluid from the flowers. Just like me they hum, the spring has come. When the spring season come, the birds are started to sing. Children, in this poem, rabbit, foal, birds, bugs, spiders, bears, rabbits and bees, they all welcoming the spring season. I hope you all enjoy this spring season poem, children. Recite this poem well. Thank you, children. See you in next class.